All right, I want to welcome everybody to this great opportunity of learning video editing and video animation. My name is Michael and my friends know me as Mazi. Today I'll be taking you on one of the concepts of video animation called whiteboard animation. But before I dive into it properly, I want to first of all introduce us. I want to differentiate between something, and that is video editing and video animation. Many of us might not understand the difference between these two words. Video editing has to do with joining of different videos already recorded. All right, joining, splitting, and arranging of different videos, removing the parts that are not too okay to the editor's liking, and making it appear in a way that the person will see more preferable. But when you talk about video animation, by the word animate, it means to make something that doesn't maybe something that is not alive become more alive. For example, when you take images, when you combine images and you make them move, you make them bounce or just act in a different way, just like human beings do, then you have animated them. You can do the same thing to text. All right, so these are just the clarification on these two distinct words: video editing and video animation. Fine, without going much into it, if you want to know more about it, you can also make your research and you get to understand it better. Now, today on what we are going to be learning, which is video animation. And under that video animation, like I said, we are going to be talking about whiteboard animation. And under whiteboard animation, we are going to be using a particular app, and that app is called Binimi. It's called Binimi. This is it here. This is it here. So what you do is you go to Google Play Store. It's Google Play Store. You then click on it, go to the search area, click on it, then you type in Binimi, and Binimi is spelled Benime. Then you press enter. All right, when you enter, then check and be sure that the app has this logo. If it doesn't have this logo, please, it is not the Binimi I am talking about. Now, if you have not downloaded it before, it will ask you to install. But for myself, I already have it in my phone. So what it's asking me here is whether I want to update. So, but I don't want to do that. So I will come back, then come to the app. If you already downloaded it, then this is the Binimi app here. You click on it. All right. Then when you click on it, you allow it to load. When it loads this way, it will open a particular page like this. Then you come to this plus sign. Come to this plus sign, click on it. Then when you click on this plus sign, it will show you this area up here, which says project name. And here beneath it tells you name your animation. Now, for you to name this animation, what you just need to do, okay, what do we want to do? I just want to call this animation whiteboard animation. You can just call it anything. And please, whatever you are writing here, if you are writing two words, don't give gap. Just allow them just appear together. Nobody is checking whether your writing pattern is okay or not. So just allow it this way. If you give gap, it will not allow you enter the project proper. Then for this place where it tells you the format, it asks you choose canvas size. So here it is showing YouTube 1080. This is the size. Then I can click. If I don't want it this way, I can just click on it. All right, when I click on it, I can see other sizes. This thing is just showing me the size of the interface that I will see when I open the app. So if you want this YouTube standard 1080, YouTube 720p, then Instagram standard or Instagram 1:1. This 1:1 means square format and many other formats. But for me, I can just use this YouTube 1080p. So I can just return here. So I don't want to change it, so I just go to create project. All right, now when I click on this create project, it lands me to this page. This is the whiteboard. This is the whiteboard. And now whiteboard animation is just a kind of video animation whereby that makes use of whiteboard or any other format that we may choose. We can choose to change the color, which I will tell us about. Now the first thing you are seeing here is it is showing the Binimi watermark. You can see it here. Do we allow it this way? It doesn't show professionalism. So what you first do is you remove this Binimi watermark. And how do you remove it? Just click on it. All right, when you click on it here, it shows remove permanently, then watch ads. Now if you click on remove permanently, that one requires that you pay some money. So we just go to watch ads. These ads, we just watch it. It will take some minutes, and the ads we remove. All right, so I click on watch ads. This may take some time, so I don't want us to wait until this. I will pause the video, then continue it after the ads are done. All right, now the ads have completed, and you can see the Binimi watermark is no longer there. So what is the next thing? Now I will show you some things on this page, on this Binimi interface. Now seeing this interface, please, again, this interface you are seeing is called canvas. The interface where you make your animation or whatever is called canvas. All right, so now on this canvas, this white animation, if I like, I can change the color. And if I want to change the color, what do? I will come to this place. You can see here, this place is showing stickers. This one is text, this one is BG, which is the background, this one is hand, this one is music. Now I will show you what all of them are doing. If it is stickers, if you click on it, if you want any sticker, that's where you click. I'll come, we are going to make use of this, but let me go back first. Now the text is, if you want to enter any text, you click on it. So you can enter your text, but let me cancel first. For the background, if I want to change this white background to any other color, I can click on it. Then it can ask me select image. If I want to use image, any image of my choice as the background, I can click on it and select that image from my phone gallery. But if I don't want it, I just want to use any color outside this white background here, I can click on this color and I can choose from these colors you are seeing here, whichever one that I prefer. But now I prefer this white background. Let me make use of it. Then this hand, what does it do? This hand here is for writing. Just as when you see a teacher writing on the board, the teacher is writing. So the same way the teacher's hand will be moving, that's the animation we are talking about. The same way the teacher's hand will be moving when writing, that's the way this hand will be moving, and that is the animation effect. Now you can click on the hand. You can choose from any of these hands, whichever one you prefer. And if you don't want any hand to show, you click on this part whereby a hand is shown with something showing that the hand is cancelled. So you can click on it and that hand will not show. But for now, let us still hold on. Then for this music, After creating everything you want to create, you can choose to add any music from your gallery, all right, from your what do I call it, from your audio file. So you can, if you want to choose it, you can come to this place written music and you can choose from your file. If you want to record, direct, you can record from this place. Now this TTS, I think this is for voice overs, that is already exists AI voiceovers. I think that's what this one is all about, and any other thing we may need to talk about comes in. Now I'm done showing you everything you need to know for now. Then let's dive in immediately. I want to create something. This whiteboard animation or anything video animation tells a particular story, and for you to tell that story, you must have already crafted that story in a way that it will be so engaging. It's not like ordinary video, because this is another difference between ordinary video editing that you do and the video animation. Video animation is somehow harder, in the sense that you will have to sit down, craft the story that you want to put up and arrange it in order. But ordinary video editing, you have already recorded the video. It's just for you to compile it, cut out the areas you want to cut out, and then color grade and do other things that you need to do on it. So now we are on video animation. So I want to craft a particular story that will seem engaging, or something that will attract people's attention. Now I want to talk about digital skills. All right, so now I already crafted a story. So it is always wise that you first of all write your script, keep it somewhere, maybe on your WhatsApp area, keep it there. You can be copying and pasting direct here without undergoing the stress of trying to type. All right, so what I will be doing now is that I will be copying the script I already have and pasting here. Now let me go to my WhatsApp. 5 ways you can break limits through digital skills. So I just copy this. I want it to be, I will show you something now. I will copy the first one here. I had to arrange them one after another, so I will copy the first one, copy. Now I will go back to my whiteboard area. Now I'm coming to this place. I will come to text. I've copied my text, so remember, I will come to text and place it. This place that says type what you want to insert, I will hold it, then it will show me paste. Then this is it. So let me remove these two. Now the next thing here is I will click insert. I will click insert, and boom, you can see it here, it is inserted. Now I can move this text anywhere, so I want to move it up. I will move it up here. Yeah, that's okay there. Then the next thing I want to do is I will center align it. This place you are seeing here is center alignment. You can see this one, it is left aligned. Here is, sorry, it is left aligned. This is right alignment. Then this one is center alignment. So I want it to be at the middle, so I will click on this center alignment. Yes, it is now center aligned. The next thing I will want to do is to change the color of this text. If I want to, then I can come to this place that said select color. I'll click on it. Then if I want the color of the text to be red or whichever color, you can see there it is black. So I think, let me use this color. See, purple or what? Let me use this color. Now I will click on select. Boom, you can see it, the color is there. Then if I want to increase the size of the text, I can come to this place here and draw it to any length I want. So depending on what I want, then I will, yes, I can leave it this way. Fine. Now duration. If I want the text maybe to last for like 3 seconds, I can come to this place. This particular place, it is showing 2 seconds, so I can click on this arrow going up. So I'll click it again. If I want it up to 3 seconds, but that's too much, let me leave it at 2 seconds please, because I'm talking about 5 ways. So before I don't want it to be too long. Now, so this is here, so it will be at 2 seconds. Is there any other thing I need to do here? Now you can see this place showing animation. If I want this text, the way I want it to appear is what this animation is talking about. So I can click on this animation. Now if I want this text, this is the default whereby it will just appear the way it is. But if I want the text to bounce, let's click on it. You can see the text will bounce. If I want it to flash, I will click on this flash. If I want the text when I'm playing it to pause, this is what it will do. If I want it to shake, I will click on shake. If I want it to wobble, these are different animations. If I want it to bounce in, to fade in, to zoom in, whichever one, swing, stand up, you can see. Okay, let me use this. I think this stand up makes sense, or zoom in. Now, let me use zoom in because I'm talking about 5 ways you can break limits through digital skills. So it has to come as zoom in. Fine, I'm choosing this. Then I can now return. So after this, after entering the text, the next thing I want to do there is I will use an image that shows something, a relatable image, because one thing about video editing or video animation is that people are always interested seeing something that can relate to that particular thing. Visual images usually explains better than what you are writing. So we are talking about 5 ways. Now I want to add an image. So what do? I will come to stickers. Click on it. The next thing, I will go to add image. I click on it. Then when I go to this add image, the next thing I want to do is come to this place. I already have images downloaded. Please, this is another thing. You have to download these images. Keep them. Not when you are editing, you'll be doing this. You get everything arranged. Then I'm talking about 5 ways. I have a hand showing 5. Then I can click on that hand. I click. Which advert is this? I can now click OK. Yes, this is the image showing on this place. Now I can move this image to anywhere I want. This is it. I can move it to anywhere I want. So I will place it here the same way I did the other one, depending on the animation I want to use. Now the same way that, okay, this for the text I use zoom in. Let me go to animation, sorry, so that everybody will see. You come to this place. You can also use click on this animation, then you scroll towards the left side. You can see I want to use the same animation I used for the other one. You can see zoom in. I will click on zoom in. The same way the other one appeared is the same way I want it to appear, so I can use that zoom in. Then which other thing? Now remember that the other one, the text, I used 2 seconds, so I want everything to be 2 seconds. So I can, this one, the duration here is showing 3 seconds, so I want it to be 2 seconds. Alright, this is now 2 seconds. Now if I want to increase the size, the same thing I did for the text, I can increase it, I can reduce it. Let me leave it this way. Now, yes, now I can go back. Now you can see this first slide is done. Let's play it. You can see this first slide is done. Now what is the next thing? If I want a hand to be writing all these things that are showing here, I think this animation that I put here may not be okay. Let me just allow it be. Click on the text again. I want to remove the animation, please. Come to the animation, use default, please. Use default. So you come back, return. Then come to this hand to do the same thing. Let's use default. I don't want I don't want anything that will delay it. Then I will come back. Then we are done. We can play it again. You can see now there's a hand writing everything. Now I chose, okay, I can decide to change this hand writing it. I can choose this hand. Then let's play it. You can see 5 ways you can break limits through digital skills, and it draws the hand. Boom. Now we are done with the first slide. So the next thing we want to do now is to add another one. All right. So we click on this plus sign. We click on the plus sign. When we click on it, it now opens a new canvas, a whiteboard canvas, where we can now impute another thing that we want to impute. Then I will go to that WhatsApp where I already have my scripts, copy the text. I will copy this next one. I will copy it. Then come to this place, come to text. I will paste. I will click on this, paste, then insert. Now I can carry it up. The next thing I want to do is to center align. Yes, I will center align. Let me make this in at least to give space for the image that I may want to add. Yes, so I can bring it up. Then when I'm done with that, the next thing is to return, then add the image. I will come to sticker. On this sticker, I will add image. Now we are talking about, okay, the next image I want to add is this. Yes, this image. What am I talking about here? Identify your passion. Start by identifying the digital skills that excite you. Then these are images of people working on digital skills with full interest. So what I will do now is to reduce the size so that it can enter this space I have here. Let me increase it small. Yes. Now this is okay now. Then, and we return. We are done with these slides. The next thing, we add another slide by clicking on this plus button. Then a new canvas appears. A new whiteboard canvas appears. So I will also enter text. I will go to that place where I have my script, copy the next one, copy. Then I come to this place, come to text. I will paste. I will hold and paste. Then click on insert. Boom, it enters. Then I carry it up. The next thing is to center align so that it will appear at the middle. Yes, I've center aligned. Let me make this text to give some space. Yes, so I can now carry it up. Yes, so this is now what I have here. So the next thing I want to do now is to add an image. Oh, sorry, let's go back. Remember the first slide, the color of the text here is this pink. So I can come to the second slide. Let the color be the same thing, please. The color of the text, I will come to select color. Let it be the same. Then go to the third slide. Let the color of the text be the same. Then select. Okay, now we are on the third slide. The next thing I want to do is to add image. Learn and practice. Learn and practice. Now let us go to image of people learning and practicing. We click on sticker. We go to add image. So when we come to add image, learn and practice. Okay, these are people learning and practicing. Now I can choose to use this, reduce the size so that it can fit in. Yes, this here is okay. Fine. Then we are done with this slide. We go to the next one by clicking the plus sign to add another slide. We have a new whiteboard canvas. Then the next thing we want to do here is go to that our script. We copy this. We come to this place, come to text, we paste, hold and paste. Then you click on insert. Then what do you want to do again? You center align, carry this up. You see that some text seem to be missing there, so we can increase the size to make everything appear. Reduce it, okay, so that it can give space. Fine, let me carry this up. This is good. Then the next thing I'll do, the text here says stay updated. Digital skills or digital landscapes evolve rapidly. Now let us go to sticker, add image. We add image, stay updated. This is, I want to add this in saying stay informed with microphone. Then let me add it. I can reduce the size to fit in very well. Then carry it to this place. Cool. Now we return. The next thing we want to do is to add another slide. We click on this plus sign. Another slide will come in. The same thing we are doing is what we keep repeating. We go to that place, copy the next, we return, we come to text, we click on it, we hold and paste, then we click on insert. This text appears, bring it up, then we come to center align. Fine, center align. We can do it this way so that everything will be able to enter. We can also bring it up again. Cool. Then the next thing is we add image. We click on sticker. When we click on sticker, we go to add image. Then add image. Which image is supposed to be there? So let me click on this image. What is this thing saying? It says build a portfolio. This is someone who has already built a portfolio. Let me reduce this so that it can fit in. I believe that by now we know how to reduce this. Then watching what I'm doing, so you just come to this place, draw it back or front so that it will fit in the space you have there. Alright, then we have this slide. The next one, we add the next slide. Then we go and copy our last text that we have there. When we copy it, we come to this place, click on text. Please guys, don't forget these steps I'm following. Click on text, then you hold so that paste will come. You paste it. Then the next thing, carry it up. Then the next thing I want to do is, let me make it appear in a way whereby the whole thing there can contain and also give space. Okay, this text is too much. Let's see. This text is too much. Okay, let me choose another. Yes, it's because of the font I'm using. Please, if you want, okay, I can reduce this. I can reduce the size by clicking on this place. You can see the size has been reduced. Then the text style, I think this is what you are using. So I think I didn't talk about this one. So if you want to reduce the size of the text, you come to this place, you can reduce the size here. Then you can see it has given space. We can add the image again. Click on sticker, add image. Which image do you want to add? You add this. Click OK. Now we are talking about join communities. Connect with like-minded individuals through online forums, social media groups, or professional network. So when you are done with this, boom, you have completed the whole slides. The next thing you want to do is, okay, you return. Then you add another slide. Let me show you what this slide will do now. This slide now, since we have completed what is contained in our script, the next on this slide, I will click on this sticker again. I want to add something like a plain placard. Then I'll add this one. Click OK. Now let me increase the size. Okay. This is a placard of somebody carrying a placard. So what I want to do here is I want to write that this is created by, I will write my name. So you come to text. I want to write it one after another. Created, then insert. Let me increase the size. Oh, no. Okay. So what I want to do is I will increase this to 100. Let me increase this. I'm increasing this to 100. Fine. I will increase it to 100. Carry it up. Let me now. Oh, it's not even. Okay. Let me increase the text size. What's this one now? Let me increase the text size. Okay, let me use this. Center align. All right. So I have this created. Then let me enter by. Created by. Center align it. Carry it up. Then the next one I want to do is to enter my name created by. My name Michael. Then you can enter your own name when you finish creating your own. And we are done with what we are doing. The last but not the least that we want to do here is we want to add a background music. So you come to this place that they wrote music. You click on it. Then what is the next thing you do here? You go to this place, music. You choose. Then come to this place where you have, I will come to this place, audio. Then I already have a music that says don't give up. I will choose it. This is the music I'm talking about. Then we have completed everything. So the next thing you will do here is you click on this place or you click here to play everything, preview what you have done and see how it is. We preview it. You can see the music is playing there and the text and everything. You can see the hand writing everything and drawing. Awesome. You can see it. Good. Stay updated. Digital skills. Skill landscapes evolve rapidly. Okay. Build a portfolio. Okay. You can see that. Then the last one. Join communities. Connect with like-minded individuals. Blah blah blah. Okay. You can see it. Then finally created by Michael. Then your own will contain your name. Boom. And we are done. So this is it, guys. This is all about whiteboard animation. Now, the last but not the least is we have to talk about how do we save this video? How do we save the video after we are done with what we are doing? We just click on this place. Click here. You click. Now the project has been saved. So the next we want to do now is we click on share. When you click on share, now it will ask you what is the movie name. What is a movie name? So I can still write it. What did we write as the name initially? Whiteboard Animation. Remember I told you shouldn't give any space. Whiteboard Animation. Then make movie. You click on make movie. Allow it to render. Allow it until the video is done rendering by itself. Don't stop it. Guys, don't stop it. Once you stop it, it will terminate everything. It will terminate it. Don't stop it. Just wait for it to finish. Now, the movie
has been saved. It has been saved. You can see it here, movie saved. What would you like to do? Now let me play the movie first. Let me play what we have done. Okay, open with gallery. So I can click open with gallery. Let me say just once. You can see it is now like normal video. It is now like normal video. So I can return. Let me return. Then it has been saved now. So I can come to these movies. Watch me very well, please. I can come to these movies because it has been saved. So I click on it. You can see it here. You can see it here. Now I want to save it to my gallery. So what do? I will click on share. I'll share it to myself on WhatsApp. I'll share it to myself on WhatsApp. Then from there I can save it and I can easily share it to anyone. This I can share it to myself. So this is it. So and with that, guys, you have your video. I will show us when the video is done sharing, so that we can now save it and we have it inside our gallery. Now the video is done sharing. If I want to save it to my gallery, just open the video. Then you come to these 3 dots up here. Click on the 3 dots, come to save. You click on save. So it says it saved successfully. So you can now see this video inside your gallery. So I can now go to my gallery, open it. Boom, the video is already there. Look at it. This is the video inside my gallery. And that is it, guys. So, and this brings the tutorial on video whiteboard animation. This brings it to an end. And until our next class that will be coming your way, I remain your tutor Michael. Till the next one, guys. Peace out.